Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we start chapter 1 Operations on Sets. Sets. We know that a set is a collection of well-defined distinct objects or symbols. The objects are called its members or elements. Set is a collection of well-defined objects. For example, A equal to the 1, 2, 3, 4. And it is enclosed with a curly bracket and all the elements separated by commas. And 1, 2, 3, 4 are elements of set A. Recognize some important sets and their notations. Set of natural numbers denoted with a capital letter and start from 1, 2, 3 and enclosed with a curly bracket up to so on this. Set of whole numbers. Capital W equal to 0, 1, 2 up to so on enclosed with a curly bracket. Set of integers denoted by capital letter Z equal to the all positive and negative numbers including 0. Set of prime numbers denoted by P and the set start from 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 up to so on. Set of odd numbers. O equal to the 1, 3, 5 up to so on. Plus minus 1, plus minus 3, plus minus 5 up to so on. Set of even numbers denoted by E, capital E equal to the 0, plus minus 2, plus minus 4 up to so on. Set of rational numbers denoted by capital Q that is equal to P by Q such that PQ belongs to Z and Q is not equal to the 0. Next, finding subsets of a set. It is illustrated through the following examples. For example, write all the subsets of the set 2, 4. Following are the subsets of the set 2, 4. For writing the subset, first of all, empty set is the subset of all subsets 2, 4 and 2 proper subsets. If A and B are two sets and every element of set A is also an element of set B, but at least one element of the set B is not an element of set A, then the set A is called a proper subset of set B. इसका मतलब है दो सेट हैं A और B. A के तमाम एलिमेंट सेट B में मौजूद हैं और B के कम से कम एक ऐसा एलिमेंट है जो A में मौजूद ना हो, तो उसको एक सेट को प्रॉपर सबसेट ऑफ B कहेंगे. It is denoted by A is proper subset of B. For example, if A equal to the 1, 2, 3 and B equal to the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, then A is a proper subset of B. Why? Because all elements of A are included in a B and only 4 element which is the element of B set is not included in a A. Remember that every set is a subset of itself. Empty set is a proper subset of every known empty set. Improper subset. If A and B are two sets and set A is subset of set B and B is also a subset of set A, then A is called an improper subset of set B and B is an improper subset of set A. Notice that all the subsets of set except the set itself are proper subset of the set. Procedure of writing subsets of a given set is first of all write empty set, then singleton set. Singleton set is that a set containing one element only is called singleton set. Then sets having two members or so on. Continue till the number of elements become equal to the given set. Every set is an improper subset of itself. There is no proper subset of an empty set. There is only one proper subset of a singleton set. Power set. A set consisting of all possible subsets of a given set A is called the power set of A and is denoted by P of A. All subset, we will write all subset within the curly bracket. For example, A is a set of A, B. Then all its subsets are empty set, singleton set A, B, the combination of two elements A and B. So power set of A is P of A equal to curly bracket phi. It is empty set, singleton set A, B, and the set itself. A and B enclosed with the curly bracket. Another example is write the power set of B equal to 3, 6, 9. And the power set of B is equal to curly bracket, empty set, singleton set 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 3, 9, 6, 9, and separated all the subset with the by commas, and 3, 6, 9 is the set itself. Remember that if a set contains n elements, then the number of all its subsets will be 2 power n. For example, if x equal to the 1, 2, 3, then all its subsets are empty set, singleton set 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, combination of two elements 2, 3, 1, 3, and set itself, which are 8 in the number, and 2 power 3 equal to the 8. Solve exercise 1.3, question number 1, 2, 3 according to the definitions and explanation. Thanks.